If you're familiar with e-signatures, you've probably heard of DocuSign. They've been well known in the e-signature industry for decades, and their products are considered top shelf, especially among enterprise customers. SignNow, on the other hand, is mostly favored by small and medium businesses while growing more popular in the enterprise sector. Therefore, if you're looking for a reasonably priced e-signature application for your daily business needs, SignNow is clearly the #1 choice among DocuSign alternatives. Now let's look at another important topic: customer support that we're actually very proud of. Both DocuSign and SignNow put a heavy emphasis on self-service support. SignNow offers a comprehensive help center, step-by-step tutorials on its YouTube channel, facts, blogs, release notes, and other educational content on how to use SignNow. DocuSign checks the same boxes and goes further with a support community where users can participate in discussions, answer each other's questions, and share useful tips. Both DocuSign and SignNow provide live chat and ticket-based support. Additionally, SignNow offers phone support and personal integration support for customers with its top-tier subscription. User feedback is extremely important to us. As of today, SignNow scores higher than DocuSign based on G2 ratings, and both scored equally high according to Gartner. Both SignNow and DocuSign are great tools that simplify your daily operations and make paperwork less time-consuming. Our head-to-head comparison shows that SignNow's powerful e-signature functionality, high security and compliance standards, and honest pricing bring tons of value at a considerably lower price than DocuSign. Are you ready to switch from DocuSign to SignNow? Learn more by clicking the link on the screen now.